Hello students, I'm explaining the topic is a matrices in exercise 3D. Third Roman 7th problem. Almost I'm explained the exercise 3A, 3B and 3C. 3D also explained the first Roman, second Roman and B plus A, B minus A, C square minus A. 1, A square minus BC, 0, B minus A, that means B plus A, B minus A, plus C into B minus A. Next 0, C minus A, that means C plus A into C minus A. Understanding, this is the A square minus B square formula. Okay, next B into C minus A. That equal to 1, A square minus BC is the B minus A is the two sides is a common factor. that means b minus a. Next, c minus a is a common factor, c minus a. 0, 1, b plus a plus c. This is the b minus a is a common factor. This is the c minus a is a common factor. Okay friends, that means 0, c minus a is a common factor. 1, that means c plus a plus b. Okay, this is the R2, R3. Okay friends, that means R2 is R3 same values. That means two values are same, determinant value is 0. Okay student, this is the two values are same, determinant value is 0. Understanding friends? That equal to 1, 1, 1, a, b, c, a square minus bc, b square minus ca, c square minus ab. That equal to 0. Okay friends, understanding? This is the final answer. Equal to 0. That is R2, R3 is the same. The value, whole determinant value is 0. Understanding friends? Please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Please practice your exams is near. Okay students, please subscribe. Thank you very much.